Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my little creative corner of the internet if you're new. Today I got some more time to spend in the studio for my Etsy store, and I thought I'd bring you guys along on the journey for a look behind the curtains of my small business. We will create some stickers, a design for my packaging, and make the pictures for the shop, as well as package and ship my first orders. At the moment, all my stickers are still cut by hand. That's quite time consuming, but I hope I will be able to get a silhouette or a cricket someday in the future and make my life a little bit more easy. Here I cut the craft paper coffee addict sticker pack. This, as well as my other handmade stationery, you can find in my Etsy store. I will leave a link in the description down below. I like to store my pre-cut stickers in this old photo book. Now on to editing the product pictures. This was quite a time-consuming step as well, because it's all those little tweaks to get the color of the pictures as near to the real color of the stickers. For my packaging, I designed a black and white version of my logo and a layout to print directly onto my little craft paper envelopes. At the moment I'm working on some digital thank you cards to get them printed someday in the future, and some digital bullet journal and planner printables to add to the shop. Hopefully they will come soon. But for my first 2 customers I made a little handwritten thank you card and a little freebie in the envelope. It was so exciting to already ship out 2 orders. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's little studio vlog. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy, and I would love to hear from you in the comments down below. If you want to join me on my creative journey, hit the subscribe button down below. See you next week.